Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to check the PowerShell version in Windows 11. This takes only a few seconds, so let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for PowerShell. Here you will see Windows PowerShell. Tap to open it. In the PowerShell window, type the command $ps version table. Then press enter. Now look for PS version. Here you will see 5.1. So that's mean your Windows PowerShell 5.1 version. You can also see PS edition, PS compatible version, build version, serialization version, and so on. And that's it. You have successfully checked PowerShell version in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.